Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you the best settings of Microsoft Defender antivirus software. From today, do not pay for any antivirus software. To make the best configuration, update Microsoft Windows Defender regularly through Windows updates. Windows Defender will update automatically. You do not need to update its module individually. Ensure that Windows Update is enabled to automatically download and install the latest virus definitions and security updates. For real-time protection, go to Settings and Update and Security. Next, Windows Security. Later, Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings and make all enable. Later, click on Controlled Folder Access. Make it enabled. Your computer will ask to allow. Click Yes to continue. Now go for Setting up OneDrive. And insert your Microsoft email address here. If you do not have a Microsoft email address, create one and log in. Now go to Privacy Settings and enable it all. Go back and click Apps and Browser Control. Turn on Reputation-Based Protection. Go for Reputation-Based Protection settings. You will see the window. On this window, you can see that some options have been disabled which are already installed on your computer. If you want to add some feature, you need to click the checkbox to enable more protections. Close the window. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Go to Domain Private and Public Network Enable. Click Allow an app through the firewall. You can see several options here. To enable all the options, you need to click the Change Settings. For the demonstration, I am showing you how to click some checkboxes. Go to Windows Defender Farewell and make sure all the networks are enabled through the firewall. Click Allow an app. You can allow any app here that will run through the observation of your firewall. Go to Windows Security again and click Advanced Setting. Go to the Firewall Notification setting and enable it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection again. On the Virus and Threat Protection updates, click Check for updates. Click on the button. The panel will update your antivirus software automatically. Go to the Windows Security option again and click Scan Now. On the Scan option, you will select a full scan. The full scan can have started and all of the files on your computer will scan automatically and notify you if any virus is found. Now go for Virus and Threat Protection again. You will find an exclusion option. Here you go for Add or Remove exclusions. The computer asks you for permission and click Yes to continue. From here you can add files and folders that the antivirus will not check or observe. Now go to Search and write Task Scheduler. Go to the Task Scheduler library. then Microsoft, then Windows Defender. On the right side, you will find Properties. Click Properties. On the Triggers option, you need to add a schedule. Schedule is a process and a command that will execute a specific task at a specific time. Here you can select the date and time. I selected the schedule will apply on every Friday of the week. After completing all the tasks, just OK to continue. I think you've made the best settings of Microsoft Windows Defender Antivirus. If you do it perfectly, the antivirus will work as the paid and reputed antivirus which are available in the market. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.